2 blades last up to 8 months. For best shaving experience. Based on 2 full shaves per week. Actual results may vary. Trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. Glide coating and rounded tips protect your skin. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Philips OneBlade replacement blades are compatible with all Philips OneBlade and Philips OneBlade Pro models. The cutting blades on the OneBlade shaving head move at 200 revolutions per second. This allows you to shave everything from stubble to a long beard in one stroke. Replacement blades per package. 3 fits product type. OneBlade, QP25XX, OneBlad, QP26XX, OneBlade Pro, QP65XX, OneBlade Pro, QP66XX. Top reviews from the United States. If you have a OneBlade, these are the heads you want. These are the real deal for your OneBlade. They seem to last a good long time. I shave and trim about 2 times a week and I get up to 3 months per head. You can tell when they get dull, but even when they are dull, it just takes longer. I have not cut myself or anything even on an old blade.